If you are looking for a digital payment platform and trying to decide between Bybit and Redotpay, this video will help you understand the main differences quickly and clearly. Even though both platforms are connected to digital finance services, this video will focus only on their payment features, virtual cards, usability, pricing, and everyday experience. And for now, let's get started and let's compare Bybit and Redotpay. What is Bybit? Bybit is mainly known as a large financial technology platform that also offers payment tools such as virtual cards, online spending features, and mobile app services. The platform is designed for users who want an all-in-one financial app with modern payment options and global accessibility. Main features: virtual payment card support, mobile app for Android and iPhone, international payments, spending tracking and account management, clean and modern interface. Pros: very polished mobile experience, fast app performance, multiple financial tools inside one platform, widely recognized brand. Cons: some features are limited depending on your country, verification steps can take time, can feel overwhelming for beginners because of the number of tools available. What is Redotpay? Redotpay is a payment-focused platform that became popular because of its simple virtual card system and easy online payment experience. It focuses more on daily spending and digital payments rather than offering a large ecosystem of services. Main features: virtual payment cards, physical card support in some regions, mobile app access, online payment compatibility, budget friendly setup. Pros: very beginner friendly, simpler interface than Bybit, quick setup process, good for online subscriptions and shopping. Cons: fewer advanced features, brand recognition is smaller compared to Bybit, customer support experience may vary depending on region. Bybit versus Redotpay main differences. Number one, user interface. Bybit has a more powerful and more professional and feature-packed interface. Redotpay is simpler and easier for new users. If you want simplicity, Redotpay may feel better. If you want more tools and flexibility, Bybit has the advantage. Virtual cards. Both platforms offer virtual card functionality for online purchases and subscriptions. Redotpay focuses heavily on making virtual card usage simple and accessible. Bybit's card system feels more integrated into a larger financial ecosystem. Ease of use. Redotpay is easier for complete beginners. Bybit may require more time to learn because the platform includes many extra sections and features. Availability. Availability depends heavily on your country and local regulations. Some users may find one platform works better than the other depending on regional support and card availability. Always check official availability before signing up. Fees. Both platforms may include card issuance fees, transaction fees, currency conversion fees. Redotpay is often viewed as the simpler low-cost option, while Bybit may provide more features for users who want a broader platform experience. Which one should you choose? Choose Bybit if you want a larger all-in-one platform, if you prefer a polished app experience, and if you want more advanced financial tools. Choose Redotpay if you want something simple, if you mainly need virtual card payments, and if you prefer a beginner-friendly setup. Conclusion and final verdict. Both Bybit and Redotpay are useful digital payment platforms, but they target different types of users. Bybit is better for users who want a bigger ecosystem with more features and flexibility. Redotpay is better for users who just want an easy payment solution without dealing with a complicated interface. At the end of the day, the best option depends on how simple or advanced you want your experience to be. And that is it for today's comparison of Bybit versus Redotpay. If you find this video helpful and useful, please consider like, subscribe to the channel, leave us a good comment, and turn on the bell icon to get more simple tech and finance comparisons. And let me know down below in the comments which option will you go for and which option do you prefer and why. Share this video to your friends. Thanks for watching and goodbye.